taking, it is giving.
ऊपर से भारत कैसा दिखता है आपको? सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. થોડોક નશો તિરંગાની આનનો છે, થોડોક નશો માતૃભૂમિની શાનનો છે. દરેક જગ્યાએ તિરંગો લહેરાવશું, કારણ કે આ નશો હિન્દુસ્તાનની સન્માનનો છે. A little drunkenness is for the glory of the tricolor. A little drunkenness is for the glory of the motherland. We wave the tricolor wherever we go because this drunkenness is for the honor of our motherland. ज़माने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, ज़माने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, मगर वतन से खूबसूरत कोई सनम नहीं होता. सोने के कफन में लिपट मारे शासक कई, मगर तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कोई कफन नहीं होता.
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now comes the time when we shall redeem our pledge.
At the stroke of midnight, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
A very good morning to one and all present here.
Today my friends and I are here with a short assembly showcasing the unity, oneness and the integral spirit of our diverse nation.
Unity in diversity is India's strength. There is simplicity in every Indian. There is unity in every corner of our India. This is our strength.
The main task before India is to consolidate herself into a well-knit and united power.
Wait, Nihal, isn't that the very famous quote given by the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel?
Yes, Melanie, you are right. This was a very famous statement made by the first Deputy Prime Minister of India, the chief architect of our united country, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
So, why are we talking about him over here?
Well, I am doing this because this is hitting are the main reason why we have gathered here. To celebrate, promote, showcase, establish and create One India, Great India.
Hey, those are the objectives of the Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat mission, right? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel gave us Ek Bharat, and now it is the solemn duty of us 130 crore Indians to make it Shreshtha Bharat.
There is no country like India, quite as diverse, multilingual and multicultural, yet bound together by the ancient bonds of shared history, traditions, culture and values. Such bonds need to be strengthened in a culturally special country like India.
Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat was announced by the Honorable Prime Minister on 31st October 2015 on the 140th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It aims to enhance interaction between people of diverse cultures living in different states and union territories in India, with the intention to promote mutual understanding. As per the program, each year every state or union territory would be paired with another state or union territory for reciprocal interaction between people.
It is foreseen through this exchange that the knowledge of the language, culture, traditions and practices of different states will lead to an enhanced bonding between one another, thereby strengthening the unity and integrity of India.
And so, here with us we have our own friends who are going to represent the cultural forms of Assam and Himachal Pradesh.
It is often said that nature has music for those who listen. So, let us call the students of class 10I who are here with the Himachali folk song, Chamba Kitani Dur. Seem to be a professional singer yourself.
That was a wonderful performance, wasn't it, Nihal?
Yes, Melanie, that was great.
This song, Chamba Kitni Door, is a simple and pure song about love. Here, a small girl is asking her mother where Chamba lives, because that's where her beloved lives. The
Wow.
place leaves you in bewilderment after seeing the majestic mountains around it.
Wow, isn't that so amazing? Even the smallest places in our country are filled with beauty and love. This adds to our diversity.
Isn't this the main aim of the Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat mission? Identifying the diversity and celebrating it as one nation, as one family. We can find diversity wherever we go.
From the verdant greenery of Jammu and Kashmir,
To the authentic clothes of Tamil Nadu,
from the exuberant festivals and celebrations of Punjab,
to the exotic dishes of Andhra Pradesh,
from the colorful dances of Gujarat,
to the software hub of India, Bengaluru,
from the brave warriors of Maharashtra,
to the beautiful backwaters of Kerala, and the list never ends. And so, we have with us the students of class 10L who have come here with an Assamese folk state song, O More Apuna Desh, which talks about the poet Lakshmanath Bejobra's love for his motherland. This is the same state song in our history textbook from the lesson Print Culture and the Modern World.
Oh, Alan plays the piano. Oh, I forgot about that.
As it is rightly said in Sanskrit, Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargad Avigariyasi, meaning the mother and the motherland are greater abodes than heaven. 75 years after independence, it is time that we hold hands together and march forward to make India a strong India, a sustainable India, and a glorious India. It is time that we make a tryst with destiny.
Possible if we forget our differences of caste, creed, religion, ethnicity, and background and stand together as a united power. Only then the world will look on to us as a global power, as a stabilized power.
After all, we need to celebrate and promote the unity in diversity of our nation, showcase our rich heritage and culture, establish long-term engagements, and create an environment to promote learning between states. For this, it is necessary that no one is left behind in this line of development and progress. We need to take everyone along with us to ensure our unity, which is withstood by our diversity, which stays with us and becomes a matter of our pride.
No people have risen who thought of only rights. Only those who did so thought of duties.
So Melanie, we cannot instill a sense of unity in our people only by celebrating our diversities and singing patriotic songs. For this, we need to collectively look upon the nation.
So, our Constitution has laid down some fundamental duties for the citizens to follow. Let us have a brief look at each and every one of them.
The first fundamental duty states that Indians must abide by the Indian Constitution and respect its ideals such as the national flag and the national anthem.
Our freedom fighters have given innumerable sacrifices to protect our nation. So the second one states to cherish and follow the noble ideas that inspire the struggle freedom.
The third one are the citizens to protect and uphold the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India.
Nationalism is not just singing patriotic songs and supporting the government. So, the fourth fundamental duty asks citizens to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so.
Our country is so diverse. So, to accommodate such a vast diversity, we need to promote a spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, sectional or regional diversities. It is rightly said that behind every successful man, there is a successful woman. So, the fifth fundamental duty also obliges the Indian citizens to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women.
Value and preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture.
Promote and improve the natural environment, including forests, wildlife, lakes and rivers, and to have compassion for all the living creatures.
Develop scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform.
Safeguard public property and to abjure violence.
Strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective identity, so the nation constantly tries to rise to higher levels of endeavor and achievement.
And finally, one fundamental duty because of which we all are here. This newly added fundamental duty.
The 11th fundamental duty asks Indian citizens to provide opportunities of education to children of wards between the ages of 6 and 14.
ഭാരതത്തിന്റെ ഭാവി വാഗ്ദാനങ്ങളായ എന്റെ സുഹൃത്തുക്കൾക്ക് സാദര നമസ്കാരം. സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യത്തിന്റെ മധുരം നുകർന്നു തന്ന ഭാരതത്തിന്റെ ധീരവീര യോദ്ധാക്കളെ നമിക്കുന്നു. വളരട്ടെ നമ്മുടെ ദേശാഭിമാനം കടലോളം, ഉയരട്ടെ നമ്മുടെ ത്രിവർണ്ണ പതാക വാനോളം. സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം തന്നെ അമൃതം, സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം തന്നെ ജീവിതം, പാരതന്ത്ര്യം മാരികൾക്ക് മൃതിയേക്കാൾ ഭയാനകം. Freedom is the elixir, freedom is life. Captivity is more terrible than death to men.
Hangasar Hazar Jalla Tukka Sunestan Dev Barekaru. Thank you one and all for coming here.
Dear Assistant Vice Principal Sir, heads of the departments, teachers, and all our friends present over here. A sincere gratitude to each and every one of you who have heard us so patiently. But we also expect that you can imbibe the values and ideals put forward in this program. Only then will we be able to make Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat. Only then will our unity withstand in such a vast diversity.